What's up guys, I'm Iman and welcome to Moose Planet. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease volume of an audio clip in Audacity. So before starting anything, first of all I want to say that recently I created an Instagram account. In that account I upload different types of information, news and updates about my channel, and I also like photography and photo editing, so I also upload my captured photos and edited photos on my Instagram account. So please follow me on my Instagram account, because from my Instagram account you can get different types of news, information and updates about my channel. So please follow me on Instagram. You will get the link of my Instagram account in the description. So please follow me on Instagram. And now let's check out how can we increase or decrease volume of an audio clip in Audacity. I hope you will enjoy.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So guys, after starting Audacity you will need an audio clip. So now if you want to import that audio clip, then click on this file and then click on this open, and then select the location where the audio clip is, and then select the audio clip and then click on this open, and then the audio clip will be imported. But if you want to record your voice, then here you will get option record. Click on this record and then you can record your voice. So now I have an audio clip on Audacity, so let me play it. How to increase or decrease volume of an audio clip in Audacity. So guys, now you can hear the volume of this audio clip is normal. So now here you will get an option plus minus. This is the first option, and by this option you can increase or decrease the volume of an audio clip. So now if you want to increase the volume of this whole audio clip, then take this pointer to the plus, and then the volume of this whole audio clip will be increased. You can see the wave of this audio clip isn't changed, but the volume of this audio clip is increased. So let me take it to the plus more, and now the volume of this audio clip is increased. So now if I play it, you can hear how to increase or decrease volume of an audio clip in Audacity. So guys, now you can hear the volume of this audio clip is increased, but if you want to decrease the volume of this whole audio clip, then take this pointer to the minus, and then the volume of this audio clip will be decreased. So now let me play this audio. How to increase or decrease volume of an audio clip in Audacity. So guys, now you can hear the volume of this audio clip is decreased. So now if you want to increase or decrease the volume of a particular portion, then you have to select that particular portion to increase or decrease the volume. So as an example, I will select this portion to increase or decrease the volume, and after selecting that portion, click on this effect and then click on this amplify, and then here you will get this option. So now here by this pointer you can increase or decrease the volume. So now if you take this pointer to the right, then it will increase the volume, and if you take this pointer to the left, then it will decrease the volume. So now let me show you. So I will take it to the right to increase the volume. So now you can see the OK option is disabled. So now if you want to enable it, then click on this allow clipping and then it will enable, and now click on this OK, and you can see the wave of this audio clip is changed. This means the volume of this audio clip is increased. The particular portion's volume of this audio clip is increased. So now if you want to decrease the volume of that particular portion, then select that particular portion, then go to effect again, amplify, and then take this pointer to the minus or to the left, and then click on this OK. And then here you can see the wave of this portion is changed. This means the volume of this particular portion has changed. So like this you can increase or decrease the volume of an audio clip in Audacity. So this is the video and I hope you will like it. If you like it, then don't forget to drop a like on this video, and also don't forget to share this video. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then go to my channel, subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon so that if I upload any new videos in my channel, then you will get a notification from my channel. But if you have any type of problem, then please leave it in the comment. I will try to give an answer of that. And if you want anything more video from me, then also leave it in the comment. I will try to make a video on that. So enjoy my videos. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.